In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the Omega Old-Fashioned Donut in Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimensions. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you're trying to get this donut, also known as the Primal Gordon Donut, what you basically have to do is make the recipe for it. So to get this, you got to get it from a character called Ansha, which is only available in the DLC. You can only find her around like Hotel Z and stuff. And you're gonna need a few different things. So you're gonna need a Hyper Caliber Berry, a Hyper Habit Berry, Cassid Berry, Tango Berry, Copper Berry, Rainbow Berry, and 2 base Hyper Berries as well. So that's gonna give you everything you need to craft it. Then just give all of that stuff over to the character known as Ansha, which again, like I said, could be found at Hotel Z on the rooftop specifically. And then, yeah, then that's it. You should be good to go and you'll have that old-fashioned donut and yeah, you'll be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other Pokemon Legends ZA videos on the channel.